Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and healthy and easy to make Khira Santula. So this is a traditional Odia mixed veg curry. This is very healthy and quick to make and is very tasty also. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन्ती देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First let's take vegetables. I have thin sliced raw papaya, eggplant or brinjal, potato and rich gourd. You can also take pumpkin and you can also skip potato if you want. Then in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 8 to 10 curry leaves and 3 slit green chillies. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. And then add the veggies. Saute the veggies for 5 to 7 minutes. After that add half cup of water and salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Cover and let the veggies cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes our veggies are perfectly cooked now. Finally add 1 cup of milk. Give it a good mix. Let the veggies cook in milk till the milk almost evaporates. Our veggies and the gravy is perfectly cooked now. Add chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Our delicious Khira Santula is ready. This is a milk-based mixed vegetable curry. This is a quick and easy curry recipe that you can make almost every day. This is very healthy and goes perfectly well with chapati or paratha. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.